Today we're going to be working with clay. We're going to use some Model Magic. If you don't have Model Magic, something that's similar you can do at home is make your own using baking soda and cornstarch and water. And the ingredients are here. And basically, with a parent's help, what you're going to do is put these in a pot and you're going to stir them up and whisk them around until it becomes a dough. And it takes a little while and it's a little arm work, but it does make a dough. And then you're going to let it cool in a bowl. You can put like a little damp cloth on a towel or so just to keep it from drying out. And once it's cool, you can use this just like you would do Model Magic. Now, Model Magic, the good thing about this is it's non-toxic and it's gluten-free. And what we're going to do is just make a little pendant today. And you don't really need a lot of it. Now, one of the first things you do with the clay is you kind of roll it in a ball, just like you would do with making cookies. And then you take and you stand up and you press down and make a pancake like that. So you have your pancake shape. Now, what you're going to do is you can take a cookie cutter and just press in, just like this, and just take the excess off. And whatever shape you have, here you go. You have here's a heart. Now, when you work with this, one of the things you can do is, don't forget, if you're gonna make a pendant, to make a hole, you can use the end of a paintbrush if you want, or a marker or a pencil, but poke a hole. And you can use different things. You can take stuff and you can press them into it. Like I just took some of these things I got from outside in here in my yard and you press down on them. And you can then lift it up and you can get an imprint of the leaf if you like. Or you can take a marker or any kind of object and you can press shapes into it. Like this. So I just pressed a few little shapes from the cap of the marker. Now, to make different colors, there's different things you can do. You can wait till it's dry and paint it, or you can even just take a little bit of the Model Magic and say, for instance, like when I did this pendant, I made little petals that were blue. What you can do is take a marker and just kind of put in here. This might get messy on your hands, so, but you can do this and kind of just mix it in. It'll make a lighter color because again, this is white Model Magic, so it'll make the color lighter, but you do get a blue. And you can do this with any color. And your hands will get a little messy, so that's the one thing, the one drawback about using the markers. These are washable markers, and they're also non-toxic. But you can make petals, and you can make this any size you want. They could be a bigger flower. It doesn't have to be small ones. And you can just kind of make your petals whatever shape. Like this. And you can put it right on your heart. Like that. And then you can take another piece. And again, like I said before, you can make whatever colors you want. Now I can't get the yellow open. But you just take it. And the same thing. Just put it right on the clay. And you can stick it right in, and there's your little flower. And you can do this with any kind of design. It doesn't have to be a flower. It could be whatever it is that you like to add on to your heart. It could be a letter. It could be just lines, whatever you like. And there you go. Just like that. And when it's dry, you can paint it if you want. Also, something like Mod Podge is really good. It's a glue, and it can coat over it. It'll make it shiny. And you just put a little string through it, and you have yourself a necklace. And also, I forgot one more thing. You can actually draw on it too. Just don't press too hard because it is still wet. And that's it.